Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create the car pop transition using the Glitchify plugin in After Effects. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. Here I already have two clips that are stabilized and speed ramped. If you are new to either of those, make sure to check the tutorials linked in the video description first. Once your clips are stabilized and speed ramped, overlap them on the timeline, just like you see in the video. Now scroll to the end of the bottom layer and split the top layer at that point. The left overlapping section is the one we will be working with. Go to the beginning of that layer. The next step is to isolate the car from the background. To do that, select the Roto Brush tool. In my case, I am using the latest version of After Effects, where the Roto Brush is now called the Quick Selection tool, and it also includes the Object Matte tool. I will use the Object Matte tool because it is the fastest way to make a quick selection of the subject. It did a great job, but there are still a few areas that need fixing, which we can easily clean up using the Quick Selection tool. Once the selection looks good, click the freeze button and wait for it to finish processing. After it is done, close the rotoscoping window. Now duplicate the layer, then move to about the middle of the duplicate and trim the beginning. This shorter layer will become our background layer. Double-click the layer to open it in the Roto Brush window. First click Freeze to unfreeze the current selection, then enable Invert Foreground/Background to invert the selection, making only the background visible on this layer. Finally, click Freeze again to lock the new selection. Once the freezing process is complete, close the rotoscoping window. Now scroll to the end of the background layer and apply the gradient wipe effect. Click the transition completion stopwatch to create a keyframe, then set transition softness to 15. Next go to the beginning of the layer and set transition completion to 100%. If you preview the video, you will see that the background now reveals smoothly. Now let's animate the car. Select the bottom layer and go to the end of it. Press S on your keyboard to reveal the scale property, then click the stopwatch to create a keyframe. Go to the beginning of the layer and set the scale to 0%. Select both keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Then open the graph editor, right-click, choose Edit Value Graph, and create a smooth curve similar to mine. The transition is now complete, but let's preview it first before applying the Glitchify effect. Everything looks good. Now I will enable motion blur on the layer to add more smoothness and natural blur. Next apply the Glitchify plugin to the layer. First expand the color glitch and image glitch settings and make sure they are turned off. Then expand channel glitch, including channel split and channel scale. Under channel scale, enable vertical, then set both offset and speed multiplier to 0. Now slightly increase the scale. Under channel split, set the horizontal amount to 0. Finally, go to advanced, then channel scale, and enable fill gaps. With Glitchify all set up, scroll to the beginning of the layer and click the amount stopwatch to add a keyframe. Set the value to 20. Next go to the end of the layer and change the amount to 0. Press U to reveal the keyframes, select them, and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Then open the graph editor and create a smooth curve similar to mine. Now let's preview the final result. Everything looks good, but to make it even better, I will add a shake effect from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can get the pack from the link in the description below, and now let's preview the transition once more with the shake applied, and we are done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.